The National Movement of Old Pension Scheme today organized the first All Meghalaya New Pension Scheme subscribers meet at Shillong to appeal to the state government to implement the NPS. Speaking to the media, National Media Secretary of National Movement of Old Pension Scheme, Manjeet Singh Patel, said the NPS was implemented in 2004 to all the employees of the central government and slowly many states adopted this policy. He further said that this scheme does not provide any type of guarantee of social income and old age security. He requested the Chief Minister of Meghalaya to listen to the voice of the employees of the state and to restore the old pension scheme.
I'm here today for Meghalaya NPS implies awareness against NPS because NPS is not a justified scheme for employees. It doesn't provide any type of guarantee of social income, old age security. So that we are here to say to demand the old pension scheme benefits from central from Meghalaya government to provide these more than 20,000 people who's working under NPS in Meghalaya state.
The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development